off at church. Well, we're supposed to be cleaning, right? Yep. Me and Morgan, we're vacuuming. I'm vacuuming stairs, and that's my mom over there. And I don't know if it set the fire alarm off, but it's still going. See? Yeah. And this is the church, and it's pretty.
It sounds like a doorbell.
I know. It's kind of a weird fire alarm. The ones at school are much scarier. Here. Zach, and he thinks he's cool. And Mommy. And it changed. Hey. Hey. Stop it. It's Emily. Emily. And Ashton. And Lauren. Lauren. And then she's in crutches because she hurt herself playing basketball.
No, the people tripped her.
Oh, really?
They tripped in practice.
I'm sorry. But it was in basketball, right? Okay, that's what I thought. I'm sorry. John is trying to choke Josh.
Oh, just watch me. I can smell the smoke.
Maybe for a fire, we're just standing here. Yeah.
What fire? Fire alarm? What do you do when that happens?
Seriously.
Go to the last tree!
We just like stood here.
Last tree! Do you remember that? Miss Folger? Go to the last tree every day. She told us that. Oh my goodness. There's the preschool. And it's still going off. And this is a great video of the fire alarm sound. See it's flashing? Where? Right? Yes, okay. It only catches every now and then.